Shorty my making good. She holds me down. She's my making good. She takes all the bread and brings it back home to me. If you hating on me, then I guess I'm sorry. I ain't Justin Bieber, I am just me. But you know one thing, I gotta hustle. The police don't even like me. They got helicopters out, even binoculars out to even watch me. Cause I'm no joke, I'm menace to society. Bad, known as the real, over money on the streets, hot boy, named #1 stunner. Get it right. Let me tell you one thing. I hustle all night, never lay on my ass. I get up and get all the cash, and I love grabbing women's ass when it's big, and I love loving it when it's something to play with. I am a real freak when it comes to the game in the bed, but I can tell you one thing, I'm free from all them sexually transmitted shit that these bitches got. But let me tell you one thing, this is a real song that you guys must hear, because I am the one singing it, and I'm the best. So all my fans gonna love me, because I'm doing this for everybody in my city. Telling y'all I won't forget y'all. Just don't forget who was the one who made it. Let me know who told y'all to wake up and smell to coffee. I'm almost 23. Most people don't make it as far as me. They already land in the ground because they didn't make good choices and didn't listen and wasn't street smart. But I'm street smart and hustler and got a really short temper. But I know when something bad was going to happen, because I can feel it, because I've been in a lot of trouble and been in a lot of bullshit in my life, and I can tell when something's about to happen. Y'all already know I'm the real smart one. I'm smart like a computer. It's real shit. I might as well have my own memory card, because I tape everything. So y'all know I am the best at this rap shit and at this music shit. I'm gonna make it for the best. So I hope y'all listening to the best. I sang for my fans and family, and I rap just to play. That is my homework, like a teacher giving it to me. Like a teacher giving it to me. Letting y'all know what's real and good. Letting y'all know you got to have a rider that's gonna be with you forever. And if you don't have that, your money will be with you forever.